Whether you're new to gardening or whether you're a veteran, there's a few essential pieces of equipment that will see you through every season, and we'll take a look at those now. First up, we've got gloves, and they just provide general protection for your hands. We also have garden pruners or secateurs, useful for deadheading and also pruning, and you want a nice clean cut, so these are perfect for that. Next up we have the watering can and or a garden hose, both essential for watering those plants. Next we have the hand trowel, excellent for digging out weeds or if you need to put in those little plants. Next up we have the garden fork, great for larger areas if you want to clear them of weeds and just preparing the ground for your plants to go in. We also have rakes, excellent all year round, not just for raking up dead leaves in autumn. It's great for preparing the soil, making sure that it's nice and flat and smooth for your seedlings. It's also really great for raking up all those weeds that you've dug out, and then you can dispose of them easily. Another great essential is a Dutch hoe. Really handy for larger areas so you don't break your back weeding. You can just run it across the surface and it will pull out all those tiny little weeds. Really handy tool.